Mwakazana mutegeri wa Meru TV tuchokera nengi kire chunchikia tukia kurekiria arantu kuchonde jan Jumatano tumba kwithira tukiwatanira na Faith Muchemi akienda mba kwithira agituthomethia mantu kathomba jegi na tumbika kwithira tukirana na betu mantu jegi kithombo na ruari nende turariria mantu jegi digital parenting tukumenya twamita atia na Kimeru lakini ngikueleza kanini digital parenting ani aranendi muchiari tukwerania kuthomethia na betu kana kurera na betu na bura mitandao itete na mbere ichinji kana technology obura itete na mbere igichinjia. Giving an example kana gikwangere kana kaitene kana ndi mwana akinyere class 7 ubatikumba kwithira ukimurira thimu na tiko murira thimu ikwenda requirement echukuru na batukwithira na thimu that requirement obura batwe tukithoma kwa requirement withira wina atlas anga wina kamusi wina dictionary kwirora kinyo kithira ubatikwithira wina calculator ukethira wina set nende thimu i one of the requirements cha muritwa akaitene kanende kana kiri kaitene karaturi kaneno technology no kaitete na mbere na kumba kwithira ichinjia nende kwina mantu kathomba ana baraba kumba kwithira bakiona kinya kimitandao na nende batu turi acherire tukaomba kurianira atia na na bakere tutira nyama ntira bakumba kwithira bakithia atira kimitandao yate kwithira yakibathukie ndu kaya bakwithira yakibaka iyo tukwarirerwa rende digital parenting na ginya kwina muchiari alianira ati kumenya atiri nende ambati kumba kwithira ngita atia bahati mbaya aweta akithoma mutandao ni akutiriba na video etiukenia ambati na fani react aje mure muchune thimu na atia ambati umwita Faith aria ukenda kumba kwithira agitweleza nkuruki mantu jegie digital parenting. Faith,
thank you.
Karibu sana.
Thank you, Annabelle.
Wanende kuwe mwenyeji ntekwira njina tu.
Thank you.
Atuken dive in into the topic and atumenya digital parenting. Kenda kinyaba atwe twitaitire tukinya utumenya ni bibyongwa atwithirite au mbere.
Okay, Annabelle, igitare nandi it's unfortunate ngarankira nto majira imebadilika. Times have changed. Igitare to batu tutaijezi moimbi.
Yes.
In fact, a phone was not only a luxury. It was for the few. Nande batu tutaize manto maingiza dimo na in fact ntegaire igitare tunkona tutari na so much distractions like now. Ana beto devices kana technology. It has become part of their lives. Not apart from bogo tumira thimo in so many other ways. Menyambere turoga mwana kaba kuona cartoon. But now a phone is a requirement. Not to kore assignments.
Yes.
Ikweza no mwana akerwa go to the phone and Google. Konande a phone is a requirement. At what age should your child have a phone? That depends. With neata mwana ku irresponsible. Koreana ba moe at 5 years they are responsible enough. Kwebangi at 13 it's when you're now comfortable that didabuga karandi boari dimantu jang guiding. Because when we talk about digital parenting we are not talking about controlling. Then they are share bamenya digital parenting is not about taking away the device from the child. It's about guiding the child on the usage of this device. Dira mwana ko munenkera thimu. No batere kumenya to some extent what they are doing with that phone. Na ciari baba ingi bamburi, how do I know? You know because bwambere mogurira mwana thimu kana ana betumira inya thimu chietu no kwethera bekirite some applications. There are games you know, like I saw my daughter, I installed a diary in my phone. Na inenya password. Then it was very hard. Komwera, why do you have a password? Ambira, because this is my diary, which is in your phone. Kunande no mwanka tiari utero tugatiga kwaria nana. And this is the time we are talking about everything. Mwana okumbere omwera thimwe unkazukia. Wambere, do you have rules in the house? Like 432. No phones during meals time. No phones during prayers. No phones in the bedroom. And the only way you can do that is to establish one control charging system. ukethwa socket ire chanja thimu itigwa dining kana whatever it is, living room methene. Now you know bu inde bo tiga bo amutathi mu bukathithia atia
Bugeta
kumama na ndikienda mwana ku atiga sneak out eza kujukia thimwere menya ana babetu. The only thing we'll do is to guide them and not control. Umwere at this time the only people that are online are this kind of people. Go and to barabeta TikTok otuko. What do they do at night? Why are you not on TikTok during daytime? Because their content is different. Kuno mwanga wadi na mwano ku about the content in TikTok, the content in Facebook, Instagram, no tunandeana beto, they are everywhere.
Yes.
Urithira mwana na dietwa ukatigara this picture hii ni picha ya mtoto wangu lakini jina si la mtoto wako. Get to understand where your child is hiding their name, because that is one sign something is happening in that line. Kwa unande wona mwana kwetieta a name that you don't understand. Yes. Na ana bagikura bakinya 9-10 years ibamba iria guti baptize names if you have them in the house. Kwa mtu ekwira. So I take a lot of time to teach my daughter to reintroduce herself, because every day she has a new name. She sits down, there is a program that she's watching. She's loving the girl who is, so she picks that name and she hands to her name. Then I'm like, what is your name? She's like, I am so and so and so. That's not your official name. What is your official name? Because every time you're asked to introduce yourself, hizo vitu zingine unaongeza hapo, they are not your official name.
Wow.
So you must teach them. Na actually, it is very, it is a very good environment. You know, with an amwano kunonto, nuona what they are doing to their lives. Like I asked my daughter, why have you added that other name to your name? Then she's like, I like this character. Then I go and watch the character myself. Then I come down, we analyze the character. Then now I come back to why she's the her, the original her, the unique her, and she cannot be a copy of someone else. So now, okay, you don't have that time. Who are you? You know, like 9-10 years, the way they move even their bodies on you. No, stay calm. Who are you? So that now, the word, who am I, is not just a joke. It is, apart from me, what is the inside of me? Now, no, who do you want to become? You know, I asked my daughter, the person you are 8 years, have you ever imagined how you want to be, the girl you want to see at 8 years? So I make her go to the future and see this old woman, but who is able to take care of herself, who is maybe driving herself around, who is maybe doing her shopping, who is maybe buying herself flowers, who is maybe doing her gardening. So now, you teach her, this is not the life. We are going towards something. Digital, it has a lot of good things. No, 10 years now do I chat GPT.
Yes.
Don't my daughter curious questions about this exam that makes her get nervous. And that conversation was, Annabelle, I shocked myself. Why? Because I asked her, why didn't you talk to me? She told me, you want the grade. And I want to understand, why am I not getting this grade? So I cannot ask you everything.
Wow.
And it dawned on me that Anna even na kindness. Known to ChatGPT is really kind. Parents. Known to the answers it was giving to my daughter. Me, myself, I was feeling healed in certain areas. So now, if my daughter is 10 years, can go to ChatGPT and ask how she can become on an examination room, what to look out to, how should see, you know, how should she see things in this exam. What else do you think they are not asking?
And now, Faith, tukiambiria utwirire it's not all about controlling.
Yes.
Ndiko mnyire turenge tumbika kumba kuthira tutumira retio control guiding. And now guiding. Turi achiari.
Yes.
Tukangaindi yake akirana betu bakuona thimune. Number 1, mwana yukire thimu akwira kwina homework kwenda kubwithia kwina mwalimu no tunyatha ibethoma na mwalimu batumirwa note twi wapi wanabua wasikize channel twi gani we man tukathumba akienda bathoma ugone ndiwe mbise ngwene chiaku mwana netira karanthi mali ekwiraga kuthoma how will you guide na kenda kumenya this kind na kubwithia the right thing?
To some extent, you not know everything. But mutiari no batere kumenya mwana oku to another extent. Where you ask them, what are you doing? And again, igitari nene mono I have been telling parents. If it is Facebook, be a friend to your child. So that you see what they are posting. You get to analyze their context. What are they thinking about themselves? What are they feeling about themselves? If your daughter is always posting about the beauty that is seen, can you have a conversation with her about the unseen beauty, the kind heart? When someone sees you, what do they think about you? Just a flash that I am calm, that I am confident, that I'm a Christian because of the things I am writing. So it is not about the beauty only. Now you understand. And again, I keep telling parents, we are the models. One thing I've always teach my children, one is, whatever you post in these devices, tunaambiangwa internet, do not forget.
Sure.
That is a very important number one you teach your children. So if your son posts something that whatever it is, it shakes you, tell him, one day when you're 40 years, this photo will come to your page. You know they come 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Will you be proud of what you posted when you're 10 years? As our daughters post their nakedness, ask them. Nowadays we go to interview people and we just have to follow their social media. We are not asking so many things because you cannot know people who they are. But you can tell what comes from inside them. They call someone. So if you're this person who posts poison, then I don't have to ask you so many questions in the interview room. I just search you, know what you post, and I get to understand this is this kind of a person. So now, when we are telling our children, internet, do not forget. Whatever you post, it will find you one day. When you want to be the president, someone will bring out that post which you posted 20 years or 40 years down the line.
Very true.
Will you be proud? Will you have something to say? Because at the end of the day, you should be responsible enough to be accountable. Yes.
Tukingaendana betu Madam Faith.
Yes.
They are friends.
Yes.
At some point tutichi barakia bwa thimu. Thimu na ikuringwa for that respect ya muchiari atikwenda gwitikira arori. Na utikumenya nwa kwaru na nindi bakwara iria. Wenye wanaongea na wao na voto abangaidi atia.
When you see, okay, we are teaching.
Na how deep their conversations zinafaa ziende.
Now that one we can't control. But when your daughter is having a phone call and every time she's erupting, she's moving from where she was, she has to go to the bedroom follow-up. Because I want to believe if there is something that you are not hiding, you will not look for the great privacy. You go to the bedroom and lock the door. Whose door? I said that the other day. As a parent, when you sit down with your 13